Yo guys, it's your boy TT Boy. You see, I bought a new car, guys. It was like 80 grand, guys. Let's go to my house. As you see, we are going. I have a friend with me, guys. I have a friend with me, guys. Friend with me, guys. As you see, I am going.
Come back to the house to play. Wake up to go to work and play.
As you see, we are going, guys. We are going, guys. As you see. Nah, I just crashed my new car, guys. But don't judge cars. As you know, I always say one thing, I am new. In 2 days new. Let's just say like that, I am 2 days new, guys. You see, I have my friend here. He said he will subscribe to me. I just told him now. Just happened. What just happened? I'll end the video here. Bye, guys.